Hello, my name is Fiona, and I work for the Mississauga Library. Today we'll be doing more Minecraft. Okay. So today we're going to be looking at two more types of logic gates with redstone. In a previous video we went over the NOT gate and the AND gate. So right here, this is a very basic redstone signal. As you can tell, it's off. The reason it's off, or how you can tell it's off, is that the redstone is dark. And here's placing more redstone here. And over here we have a redstone signal that is on. What's powering it in this case is our redstone block, but we could also use a redstone torch. So just to review what we did last time. Last time we went over the NOT gate. So the NOT logic gate. So a logic gate is something that takes input signals and then decides what to do with the output signal. So in the case of the NOT gate, the input signal here is off. You can tell it's off because the redstone isn't lit up. And then this redstone torch, so redstone torches in Minecraft have the property of inverting. So if you give a redstone torch an off signal, like we do here, it's going to turn it into an on signal, and then it turns on the piston. And if you do the opposite, it's going to turn off the piston. So if I flip the switch, there's now an on signal, and then the redstone torch turns into an off signal, and it turns off the piston. So the NOT gate is the most simple gate in logic circuits, and it's also sometimes called an inverter because it inverts the signal from on to off. The other gate we looked at last time was the AND gate. That is over here. So what the AND gate does is that if both the input signals, which are right here, are on, so they're both powered, this type of logic gate will then turn the output, in this case the output is the light, it will turn it on. Also, both inputs have to be turned on. If just one input's turned on, it won't turn on if it's an AND gate. That would actually be a different type of gate, which we're going over today. So if I turn this input off, but leave the other one on, it turns off the light. And if I turn them both back on, the light turns on. So our first new gate for the day will be the OR gate. So I mentioned that for AND gates, both inputs have to be turned on. So OR gates, like AND gates, also take two input signals, but in this case, only one of them has to be on for the output to be on. So in this logic gate, we have two switches. Currently the switches are both in the off position, so in Minecraft, if the switch is pointing up, just like a light switch, that means it's off, and then if it's pointing down, it means it's on. But once we turn one of these on, it turns on the light. Also, if we turn both of them on, it still turns on the light, and if we turn one of them off, the light's still on. So the OR gate is, I guess, the less choosy gate. It will take either one true input signal or two input signals, either which will turn it on. So the second gate that we're going to look at is the NOR gate. So in this case, the NOR gate, both of the inputs need to be off for the output, which is also light here, to be on. So here are our two input switches. Right now, they're both off and the light is on. And if we turn one or the other on, it turns the light off. If we want to turn the light back on again, we'll have to turn the switches off so that the redstone signal disappears. So it's a little bit like a NOT gate, except it takes two input signals, not just one. So you can use redstone signals in Minecraft to do useful things. So for example, I've made a perpetual motion machine here. So right here on the rails, we have a type of rail-based redstone component. These are called powered rails. Let's see. So, I can hear a skeleton. So by default, when you place powered rails, they are turned off, and you need to power them to turn them on. So, for example, you can use a torch to turn them on, or you could use a redstone block maybe. So, powered rails in Minecraft, when they're turned on, like this one is, they will actually accelerate a minecart that's moving past it. But they have an opposite behavior if you turn them off. They will actually stop a moving minecart. Like that. In order to get it going again, we'll have to turn it on and give the minecart a little push. And then it starts perpetually moving. And if you have very large bases in Minecraft, it's actually really useful to be able to use powered rails and some of the other redstone rails. So there you have it. We've gone over 4 logic gates now, and I invite all of you to figure out things you can do in Minecraft that use logic gates. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website or Facebook page for details on what is coming up, and for our digital 24/7 services where you can download ebooks, audiobooks, music, magazines, movies, and more. To learn more about Minecraft and Redstone, check out our Minecraft ebooks in our Overdrive collection. Thank you!